Today we're looking at a 2023 Shasta 25RB. It's going to feature one slide out. Awesome pass-through storage compartment up front. I love the linoleum they put in these. Overall, the coach just looks sharp. You got your white with your gray lines, almost like Ohio State colors. I really like it. Solid steps, power awning, LED lights, outside kitchen. Does have a larger outside kitchen with a bigger door. Sink in the outside kitchen. You've got your refrigerator, cabinet storage up above, LED light up above, give you plenty of lighting. You've got a flip down storage rack on the back. Coming back up here, you're going to see you've got your solid entry steps coming into the main entry. As we come in here is going to be the living area. So as we come up, you're going to see you've got your sofa that flips down to a bed. It's got little cup holders, dinette. Got your fireplace, TV, sound bar. The dinette's really nice because you can utilize that as another bed too instead of just sitting out. I just like how everything's compact in here. Everybody can just sit, hang out. Got cabinets up above your sofa. Front bedroom is fully separated off. Got a wall with a sliding pocket door. Storage on both sides of the bed. This is a full walk-around queen bed as well. You can mount a TV up there on the wall if you wanted to and plug right in. As you can see, coming back out into your living area, you got flip-up countertop extension, large counter space, sink. Did a modern backsplash, which is really nice. I like the lighter cabinets they've done too. Stainless steel, residential fridge, 3-burner cooktop with the oven, the microwave above. More pantry storage to the right of the refrigerator, and this is going to feature a big bathroom, monster master bath. So large shower, cabinets up above, medicine cabinet, skylight above the shower there. You got your sink, more storage down below. Toilet was put on an angle, give you plenty of leg room. And you got storage on the right side there as well as the left. Just an awesome overall layout. This is an awesome layout here with one slide.